Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 7 minus 1 times 7 minus 1. Many people think that the answer is 36. Why? Because they'll solve it like 7 minus 1 is 6 and 7 minus 1 is 6 and 6 times 6 is 36, which is the wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right, because they did not take a right approach. When you have given multiple operations like subtraction, multiplication, then again subtraction, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you'd call it. So as per this rule, if we have given subtraction and multiplication, we have to give priority to multiplication. So this becomes 7. Multiplication is between 1 and 7. So it's 7 minus 1. So we cancel out the 7 with 7. What is left? Negative 1. So what is the correct answer? Negative 1, not 36. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.